Pruning fruit trees is essential for maintaining their health, improving fruit production, and shaping their structure. Proper pruning removes dead or diseased branches, enhances airflow, and encourages new growth, leading a more abundant harvest. The ideal time to prune fruit trees depends on the type of tree and your climate. Late winter to early spring, the dormant season. This is the best time for the most fruit trees, including apple, pear, cherry trees. Pruning during dormancy helps stimulate strong new growth before the growing season begins. Summer pruning, after the fruiting is done. For trees like peaches, nectarine, and apricot, light summer pruning can help control growth and improve fruit quality. Avoid late fall pruning. Cutting branches too late in the season can make trees more prone to winter damage and disease. Regular pruning ensures your fruit tree remains productive and healthy for years to come. Welcome to MG Factor. Now let's look at some key pruning tips. Start by removing dead, diseased or damaged branches to prevent the spread of pests and fungi. Thin out crowded branches to improve sunlight penetration and airflow. Cut at 45-degree angle just above outward facing buds to encourage proper growth direction. Use clean, sharp tool to make smooth cuts and reduce the risk of infection. Sterilizing solutions. Keep a mix of 1 part bleach to 1 part water or rubbing alcohol to disinfect tools between cuts, preventing disease spread. Some of the useful pruning techniques for maximum health and yield, like thinning versus heading cut. Thinning cuts remove entire branches back to the trunk or the main limb, improving airflow and light penetration. Heading cuts remove only part of branch, encouraging bushier growth but should be used very carefully. Remove suckers and water sprouts. Suckers, shoots growing from the base, and water sprouts, vertical shoots on the branches. These drain energy and should be pruned off. Always cut at right angle, which is 45 degree, just above and outward facing, but to encourage proper growth and direction. In the context of tree pruning, clustering is referred to the growth pattern where multiple branches or shoots grow too closely together in a concentrated area. This can lead to overcrowding, reducing airflow and sunlight penetration, which may increase the risk of disease and weak limb structure. The solution is very simple. When pruning, selectively thin out clustered branches by removing weaker or inward growing ones to improve tree health and fruit production. The term acute in tree pruning typically refers to acute branch angles, which are very narrow angles less than 45 degree, where branches meet the trunk. These angles create weak branch attachments, making them more prone to breaking under heavy fruit load or strong winds. The solution is to remove branches with acute angles early in the tree's development for support them. If necessary to prevent splitting, instead encourage wide-angle branches for a stronger structure. Always sanitize your tool before cutting from one tree to another to prevent the disease. Later in the video, I will be using turmeric after pruning, which is a natural healing and disease prevention. Turmeric is a powerful natural remedy that can be used after pruning to promote healing and prevent infection in fruit trees. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect pruning wound from disease and pest attacks. Make a smooth cut. Ensure the pruning cut is clean and not jagged to reduce stress of the tree. Mix turmeric powder with a little water or natural plant oil to create a thick paste. Use a brush or finger to coat the fresh cut with turmeric paste. and let it dry. The paste forms a protective barrier, helping to seal the wound and speed up healing. So some of the benefits are it prevents fungal and bacterial infection, repels insects and pests, speeds up healing, and it's an eco-friendly alternative. So pruning your fruit trees the right way ensures healthy growth and a beautiful harvest. Remember to use the proper tools, make clean cuts, and always prioritize disease prevention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening and tree care tips. Drop a comment below for any questions or let us know what fruit trees you are growing. Happy pruning! Thanks for watching MG Factor. See you in the next video.